Hello, this is Susan Eller with the City of Cullman Economic Development Agency, and we are excited to share with you that we're going to be holding Christmas open house this weekend in Cullman area. Lots of stores will be open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday afternoons with specials, giveaways, things like that. Kick off your Christmas shopping season here with us this weekend. Also, in the Fest Hall area, we will have, I hear, some snow falling in the area, along with photo opportunities. There's horse and buggy rides. Check out our restaurants this weekend with special hours. We would love to have you in our community, and this just kicks off the first of many weekends in our area. So go to www.cullmanopenhouse.com and check out all the participating stores, and also you can see an area that tells you about the upcoming events after this. We hope that you will come and visit with us and spend your holidays in Cullman. Merry Christmas.